For using Google Fonts in Power BI, we need to write some HTML code and use a custom visual. I always use this custom visual, HTML content. Let me add it to my report, change the size of that. And then, as you can see, you need to add a measure or field that contains your HTML code to visualize that code. So I created this measure here, and then I need to use a paragraph tag or any headline tag like a H1, H2 or to H6 to display or define a paragraph and display that as a HTML code. Make sure to keep your HTML code between two double quotation like this, two double quotation, and then add your code here, start the tag P and then close the tag, and then keep your tags between those two like this one, for example, using Google Fonts in Power BI. Then click on commit and then add that one to my visual, to the values section of the visual, and you can see it displays the text here using Google Fonts in Power BI. Now I have a proper HTML code and I can display that here, but I want to change the size and color of the font. To do that, I need to add some style to my HTML code. Let me copy paste it here in there. So keep it between two double quotation and add the style here. Change the font size to 30 and change the color to red. Let's commit that, and then you can see the text color changed and the size is a little bit bigger. I can change the size to 60 or I can change it to 20. So let's keep it 40 for now. So it's great. We can change the by color as well to blue or even black as well, or you can use the hex code here. But if you remove the code, then it will be black as a default color here. Now we need to add a Google font to this text and apply that, and using that Google font to display this text. To using that, first we need to use this API to get the information of that font from the Google font, and then add the Google font family name and generic family as well, and add that to the style of my code. So let me copy paste it and add that one to my measure here. So if I add that code here like this, then you can see this is the API. And this is the name of font, which is the family font of that name. And then I added that family font and the generic family, which is the sans serif here. And if I apply that one, you can see in this visual, it shows my text using that Google font. You can use more than a, let me remove this filter, more than 1700 fonts from the Google font website, and using that in your Power BI. For example, this one, if I copy that name and in my measure, change this family name in both here and here, Ctrl Shift L to select both, and then paste it and apply that, you can see I have a text using a custom beautiful Google font in my Power BI.